Tang ulol nyo nga pala. Magbibigay kayo ng 50 minutes every weeks. Ako tagagawa ng pagkain. Ako taga-cleaning. Gusto nyo na magkita tayo kay Sir Rapi Tulfo? That's good idea, Eva. You know what? It's a nice talk that we go to Philippines and talk in front of Sir Rapi Tulfo with like this. You know why? Instead that, today is today is my time, 50 minutes, only 50 minutes only, guys. And the next week is Mon's time. You know what? What I'm doing here? Mon sleeping, yeah. He's sleeping. He sleep good, yeah. Evening and day, he is sleeping, handsome ulul, yeah. And then I need to make food to Jinin. I need to clean, clean the house, yes. And then the 50 minutes that he gave it to me, I need to divide 2 months. 50 minutes, so I have 25. Honest is he talk, yeah, he have more time. Because I don't have right to talk to my daughter, yeah. Don't talk to your daughter, Rohelia. You don't have time to talk. Don't talk. Even that you have time, because you know what, Rohelia? You don't have privacy. Honest is, I wish to have a time to Jinin here inside the house so we can have a privacy. How can we have a privacy, guys? All the house have a camera. I feel like, I'm inside the prison that I can bombing my daughter here inside the house. It's a fucking idiot, right? After how many years that I taking care of my daughter? Since last year and this year, they make it worse to separate my daughter. Oh yeah, she's big now. Yeah. But you know what? Who is taking care of my daughter since young? Me, yes. I work hard as a ring-ring assistant, cleaning assistant here inside the house, do all dishes, washing everything, yeah, without salary. And then this time, guys, I'm asking a time. They said twice a month, yeah. But you know what, that time? We need to divide 2 months, yes. Because Don Poldo he need too much time. Honest is, I'm moving to Philippines soon, but they don't want that. Jinin and I have a time. Yeah, private, yes. So we can talk, we can make for fun, we can watch a movie. Honest is, it's a poking nothing time. Diba? It's a poking nothing time. Kaya next week, guys, much better to sleep. Besides, it's Mon's schedule. I want to give Mon's more 50 minutes time alone because he's dying if I have a time. Napakagago na tao sa country ito, no? Napaka-unfair. It's very, very unfair. The law normally in Philippines, they need to divide time. This week, you have time for your daughter. Next time to his own father. Yeah. Her own father. Yeah. His kalbo. Yeah. Puking ulol nga pala, nabubuisit na ako sa Astig, no? Time ko ngayon, 50 minutes. Sa awa ng Diyos, nagkaroon naman ako ng 10 minutes. Ako ang nagluto, ako naglinis. Ayun, si Kalbo nagising. Nagising si Kalbo, okay na yung lamesa. Ang kulang na lang ay glass, yeah. Yeah, we need glass only in the table. And then, he need to eat, yeah, the Prince of Denmark. The Prince of Denmark with shit light, yeah. He need to be pretend like, he is very, very perfect father of society, yeah. Social of iyot, yeah. How nice, right? I woke up and then make food and then, prepare that. I hope that I can have a time to Jinin. But, yes, you know what, guys? You know what I did? I throw sleeper to him. Yes. Why? Because he always shouting to me too. I'm shouting, yes. I don't want to, lose my temper anymore. Why? Because there are too much na. Yes, I heard. First time in the history, guys. Batuhin ko nga. Binato ko, guys, ang chinela sa buisit na. Bakit? Yung anak ko, hindi niya man lang pwedeng ipagtanggol. He cannot manage to fight, to kumon, to get my daughter back. Sunod-sunuran siya parang ulul. Sarap niyang kuryentehin. Gusto ko siyang ipa-electric chair, gaya ng, they did last year. They put me an electric chair to my head. The question, where it came from. Yeah. Putang ulol nga talaga ang countering na to, guys, kung bakit ako tinatrato ng ganito. Last year, wala akong oras masyado sa anak ko dahil wala silang ginawa, kundi bigyan ako ng sleeping injection. Yeah. They gave me sleeping injection. I sleep all the time. I don't have time to my daughter. And then if I woke up, they are very, very mad. Yeah. They show madness if I'm going out. You know what they said? I kill all people in Denmark. Wow, really? Oh, could you show all of them if it's dead? I want to see. Gusto ko makita kung may napatay ako sa countering ito. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, gago ang mga tao sa countering ito. Nakakawalang gana respetuhin. They are the most unrespectful person. And I don't know if I can respect them more. Sa totoo lang, guys, binato ko ng chinela siguro 2 times. Bakit? Ako'y buisit na. Buisit na. Ako nakikipaglaban ako to get my daughter back. But he allowed them to stolen my daughter away from me. Yeah. He's a fucking idiot. He is a fucking loser idiot that I didn't dream to be my husband. He's a fucking shit of my life in how many years. Yes. Nakakahiya man, pero ay puking ina, nakakahiya nga talaga. It's embarrassing in my life that, you know, I experience shouting like this. Yes. Honest is, I don't want to shout. Honest, in Santa Cruz, I have a silent life. I have a happy life. But I have a miserable life to this fucking world. Denmark, yeah. And then they say that they will send a case. That's good. I want to talk to all of them in front of Sir Rapi Tulfo how they ruin my life. Honest, I'm so tired. I'm so tired fighting to them to have a time to my daughter. But they are the most worst kind of person that they don't care. They don't care what is feeling of your daughter and your feelings as a mother. They need to, you know, be proud to themselves that their law is like that here in Denmark. We don't care if we give you a worse life. By the way, Denmark, thank you. Thank you to all many years that I taking care of that, you know, abnormal person. Honestly, I'm not deserved to have a shit kind of husband. But, you know, I treat him as a, you know, husband. Nakakaubo, guys, pero alam mo, imagine may virus na siya. Nadikit pa siya kay Mons, yeah? Nadikit pa siya kay Abby. Hinahag pa niya si Abby. Tapos yung mga ano dito, sila din yung nagbibigay ng ano sakit kay Mons sa araw-araw. Parang alam mo, you know what they are doing is, they are holding me to my neck, to stay to Mons' side, to be his au pair without salary. Yeah. In short, guys, I'm a slave to this country. Yeah. They make me slave and make cybercrime. Yes. Nakakainit ang ulo, di ba? Ang kagaya kong Pilipina na never akong nagpakayaw-yaw. Wala akong kaaway, guys. Maliban sa mga idiot na mga jealous type of kapitbahay na nagwiwilga base sa mga kadimunyuhan dahil naiinggit. Naiinggit, guys, na yumaman ako. They are still dying jealous that, oh my God, I can have a career in YouTube. Dying. They are dying jealous. That's why they need to continue. Support how they destroyed my dignity in Denmark. But honest, guys, I will move away. Much better to move away instead of, you know, fighting to this kind of person that, you know, he is really nice in front of Janine and then destroyed me in front of my daughter. Very good actor, yeah. Actor. Parang pakiramdam ko, nandito ako sa countering ito na punong-puno ng publicity ang mga tao. They need to be, you know, smells good in front of my daughter. And then behind my back, guys, I'm not allowed to talk too much to my daughter. Just, you know, a little bit joke, a little bit, you know, hug to my daughter. I don't have time, yeah. Honest, I don't have time. And then next week, guys, I need to sleep well. Much better to sleep well instead of make myself, tired. Yeah. I try and then I woke up later if, if they are okay. But honestly, yes, I will take them video how it's look here. Yes, to show you guys who is bullshit in my life in how many years. If he is good enough to be a father, kung siya ba talaga ay karapat-dapat na bigyan ng custody ng anak ko. Yeah. If he is right, so yes. Honest guys, I will move away because spending more time to this fucking shit world is useless. Yeah. It's useless. At ayaw ko mamatay guys sa useless world nila. Because there's no life here. At makikita mo yung itsura na niyan, guys. Nabubuisit ako, natutulog ako minsan dyan, yung tinititigan ako na kulang na lang manyakin ako. Gusto ko siyang batuhin. Pero kapag nakita ko siya next time guys, na hindi na kami kasal, divorce na kami, minamanyak niya pa ako, babatuhin ko siya ng bato. Yeah, para matauhan siya. At kung inaakala nila guys na matatakot ako kasi it's a crime, wow, poisoning me and then make me a cyber crime and then slave. Di have a crime. Honest is the abuse Jenin. They abuse Jenin, they abuse me too. Yeah. Ay, wala akong pakialam sa kanila, guys. Kung magkwento sila doon sa gobyerno nila, kung magbilang sila ng bilyon-trilyon nila. Ang importante, guys, ay kausap ko si Rapitol po. Ayun. Kapag nakausap ko na, guys, ang pao, yun, magkakaintindihan na kami, guys, kung gaano kaulol ang taong countering ito. Yeah. Taong ulol nga, guys. Ayun, yun lang guys, naikwento ko lang sa totoo lang guys. Diyos ko, gusto kong sabugin ang ulo ng mga tao dito. Hay, alam mo sa totoo lang, dapat next week, doon siya kay kay Eva mamasyal. Mag-lips to lips sila doon ni nabubuisit ako guys, sa totoo lang. Sa totoo lang, pwede naman silang pumunta kung saan Para yung 50 minutes ko guys, na time next week, mayroon na akong time para sa anak ko, di ba? Pero ang problema kasi 50 minutes na nga lang. We need to divide. And then he give me 10 minutes to talk Jenin. Yeah. Hindi pa umiinit ang aming puwet sa sopa para manood ng TV, ng movie. Ayun guys, sinundo na siya ni Doña Eva. Di ba? Hindi. Diyos ko, may sobra pa guys. 7 minutes. Ayun. Advance ang sundo niya. Kaya, lang guys, yung mga sabihin na natin na mga 35 minutes, okay na yun. 35, yeah. Ay, Diyos ko, ginoo ko. Diyos ko. 50 minutes lang guys ang ibibigay. Ang damot-damot pa nila. Napaka-selfish nila guys. Napaka-selfish na talaga nilang klaseng taong nila lang sa mundo. Pero honestly guys, they have a rights here. 1 week to parents, 1 week to father. But honestly yeah, Jenin can live here and then, Moons can stay to her mom so we can have 1 week. Napaka-simple lang, di ba? Pero ginagawa nilang komplikado. Gustong-gusto nilang ipakita sa tao that we fight, yeah. They love that, they show to everybody that we are fighting, yeah. That's their goal in life. So they say that they can give me a case. Pakialam ko naman, may kaso naman talaga sila. At gusto kong, kaharap si Sir Rapitol po. Gusto ko talagang ikwento. Gusto kong ikwento na ina-abuse na nila ako dito too much na. Yes. Ayun ang gusto kong gawin. Nakakaloka. At sinamit, yun naman, basang-basa ang ulan ni Namit. Ayun siya nga pala guys, thank you for watching. Ayun, i-share nyo ang video ko. Huwag kayong pupunta ng Europe guys. Europe is a miserable ulol. Yeah. Our life is a miserable ulol. You'll never be rich in Europe. Bagkos yung tax mo dito, kalahati. Mamamatay ka kakatrabaho sa lamig. Yeah. Kaya ako'y sawa na talaga. I'm so tired to this life. Yeah. Ayun guys, okay lang ako. At wala akong pakialam kung binato ko yan. At alam mo kung bakit ko ginawa yun guys? Kasi hindi niya talaga kayang ipagtanggol ang karapatan ng anak namin to stay with us. Yeah. Yes. Ginawa ko guys. Ginawa ko at wala akong pakialam sa kwento ni Denmark. Bakit? May gawin ako o wala? Ay, Diyos ko, unlimited ang lie story niyan. Gumawa ka man ng gulo o hindi, ay, may kwento na naman yan. Kaya ulol nga pala nila. Tang ulol, Ul-ul nila, bulo nila. Sabihin mo sa kanila, Happy Halloween sa kanilang lahat. Mag-i-evening na naman, baka maging monster sila mamayang gabi. Ayun. Happy Halloween to all of you, Denmark. Good luck sa Halloween nyo everyday.